Okay, this exercise is called the VOR. VOR is a reflex in your eyes. It's called the Vestibular Ocular Reflex. And all that means is that your eyes are going to stay on a target while you move your head. Now, when you're doing this exercise and moving your head, especially to these outside directions, I don't want to go so far. If I'm looking at this target, I don't want to go so far that this eye can't see past my nose. So I'm only going to go far enough so that both eyes can see the target, okay? I'm going to use this chart, what we call the A chart, and you see all these directions, these lines here. This is a really good resource for you to just trace your nose on this line while you're staring at this A target here, okay? So you see all these directions we're going to work. And for each direction, you're just going to do 3 to 5 reps. And what's important here is to find the stance that is safe but challenging. So our safe but challenging stance options, option 1 is wide, option 2 is narrow, option 3 is a split stance, option 4 is a tandem stance where one foot is right in front of the other, and then the last one is being able to do a single leg balance stance here, okay? So you want to hang this chart up so that the A is at eye level. I'm just going to hang it right here on the wood piece. Okay? If you don't have an A chart, it's fine. You just find something to stare at. If we kind of pan over here, I could just stare at one of these letters. That's about eye distance height, okay? So I'm gonna find my safe but challenging stance, and let's shoot for, on this one, since it's a far one, we're going to do about 8 to 10 feet away. So I'm gonna scoot back here a little bit. I'm gonna find my safe but challenging stance. Here, lengthen up nice and tall, keep my eyes on the A, and I'm just gonna work to the left 3 to 5 times. And then I'm going to work to the right 3 to 5 times. Now I'm going to work up 3 to 5 times. Trying to stay relaxed. Coming back to center each time. I'm going to work down 3 to 5 times. Okay, now I'm going to pause right there because I'm really getting worked. I'm going to switch feet to show you the rest of it, but you don't have to do that. You can do all in one stance and then try the other side. So now when we go into the narrow stance, just to make sure, because this is challenging for me, I'm going to hit the corners, which is a lot harder. So now I'm going to keep my eyes on that A chart, and now I'm going to trace my nose that line up and right. One of the common errors that we see here is when you're doing your nose up in one of these directions or down, is that you start tilting your head to do the movement. You really want to keep your head upright, and to slow it down or break it apart a little bit, I'll rotate a little bit and then tilt my head back. And then I just try to blend that movement. Okay, I'll do up and left. Down and right, and it's almost like, since I'm going down and right, it's like I'm headbutting my left eyebrow. Down and left. And back to center. Always coming back to center on these. So that is your VOR, far. Make sure you're hitting all directions, 3 to 5 reps. Safe but challenging stance.